Hey guys, what's up? This is your favorite teacher here, Carlos Kid, with my 10-minute hip hop class, which is part of a series of 8 videos going from beginner all the way to advanced. Before we get started, you know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell too, just so you get notifications on when we drop hot new videos. Would it be great? Yes, to leave a comment, and please like the video, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for tagging all of us in your great videos. Let me know that you're doing it. Also check out our channel for more classes, hip hop, yoga, salsa, belly dance, Pilates, African dance, Afrobeats, and plenty more. But yeah, get your stretch on and it's time to yoga. Alright? So, when we left off last video, we were in this position, which is pretty much, he lands on here on the words liquida, right? So, next one, you're pretty much going to raise up out of this plie, stepping sideways on your right foot. You don't want to do it too far, you don't want to overextend your left leg. Really straighten out that left leg. And bring your elbow right in front of your chin and your right hand pretty much in a fist, as if you were grabbing a string on your left shoulder, yeah? And from here, you're gonna plie down, pulling your left shoulder back while stepping back with the left leg, as if you were dragging your shoulder down. So from here, you're pretty much gonna rise up, and actually, what I want you guys to do is roll your hand into grabbing that string, yeah? That's while you're standing up. So from here, roll, grab, and then from here, you're going to plie again, dragging your left shoulder back forward, and bringing your left foot back, yeah? So from here, you're jumping. In video 1, you jump, land on end, cross, rotate your hand, rise out of that plie, grab the string, and then pull back, yeah? So from here, you're going to also step back on that right leg, and then have your arms out, like this, as if it was a bird, and then cross your hands this way. Boom. Yeah? So, from here, you're gonna rise up, rotate your hand, grab the string from your left shoulder, stand up, pull over, drag your left shoulder out, then step back, have your arms open, and then cross your arms, and that's gonna be a rebound. So, it should be a quick cross, yeah? And then you're coming back to the outside, as if you were serving plates, yeah? So, you're stepping back, jumping, landing on end, crossing, then rotate your hand, grab the string, and then pull down, yeah? And then stepping back, crossing, yeah? So, that's 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and that is it, yeah? So, one more time, cross, rotate the hand, grab the string, step out, pull down, and then step back with the right leg, crossing your arms. You really want to have all of your legs tense doing this, because you will lose your balance if you don't have control over what you're doing, yeah? So from here, you're gonna rotate your hand out, really have all of your weight on that left leg. Your right leg should be free. I should be able to move my right leg anywhere I want, yeah? So from here, then shift that weight to your right foot, and then drag your left shoulder down. So that weight shift should be seamless, yeah? So from here, switch, and then shift your weight from your right leg all the way to your left, bringing your arms out, so you should be able to just go into, what is it called? Tree pose in yoga. You should be also going to other yoga classes here in the school. Yeah, so from here, you're gonna step back on the right, and then, boom, cross it. So, from here, one more time, because the best thing to do is repetition. Jumping, landing on end, crossing, rotate the hand, step out, drag it down, step back, and cross. Yeah? So, after the cross, you're just gonna rotate your hands and shift your weight into that right leg. Same as you did before. Shifting the weight. As I said before in video 1, all of my movement is really about shifting your weight in between your 2 feet, yeah? So from left to right, you're gonna cross, and then you're going to rise up out of that foot, rotating your hands up, and bringing them to your ears as if you had like Dr. Dre headphones on, yeah? And straighten that left leg. So, from down here, you're gonna rotate your hand up, drag your shoulder down, shifting your weight to your right leg, then shifting your weight to your left, bringing your right back, crossing your hands in front with a rebound, and then you're going to stand up on your right leg, and while you do that, you're gonna rotate your hands and bring them to your ears. Yeah? So, from the very top, and then we're gonna do this a bunch of times before music, so you're safe with me. So, you're driving it down the body, jumping 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Yeah? One more time. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Yeah? 2 more times. Dragging down the body on 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Yeah? One more time. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Okay? 2 more times. Down the body. Jumping 6 and 7. Rotate the hand, stand up on and 8. Cross on and rotate on 1. Yeah? One more time before music. Yeah? So down the body. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Yeah? Let's go. Music.
7, 8, 1, 2.
Okay, one more time.
Okay. 7, 8, 1, 2.
Yeah, one more time.
7, 8, 1, 2.
Yeah. We're gonna do it 2 more times slow, and then we're gonna do it with music a bunch of times. Yeah. So originally, going down the body on 5, jumping on 6, landing on and, 7 crossing, rotate on and, pull the shoulder down, cross on end, and then bring it up on 1. Yeah? So, that's down the body on 5. Bring that tension in for the plie. Jump on 6, land on end, using that same energy to cross, then using that same energy to push up off of your left leg, grabbing your left shoulder, bringing your weight to your right leg, dragging that left foot down, left shoulder down, bringing your left foot back, and then crossing your arms. Then rising up on that right leg, rotating your hands up to your ears, straightening that left leg on 1. Yeah? One more time, really slow, just going straight through. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Yeah? Let's do it with music. Let me turn it up.
7, 8, 1, 2. 7, 8, 1, 2. 7, 8, 1, 2.
One more time.
7, 8, 1, 2.
Let's get water. I know you guys are tired after that 3-time back-to-back dance, yeah? So, ooh, that white tastes so good right now. But hey, so far so good, guys. Great for dancing with you guys today. And I'm really honored that you guys came through to honestly dance and share the space with me. So super chill. Great vibes all around, yeah? Take as much time as you need. A couple more sets and we can get back to it, yeah? Whew. Let's get back to it, yeah? So, we're gonna go over it a couple more times. Really slow, getting us to a place where we really know what's happening with our bodies, yeah? So, we're going to drag the hands down our bodies, yeah? On this left leg. Jumping on 6, landing on and, like I said in the last video, crossing on 7, yeah? Rising up, that's the new part. Shifting that weight to that right leg, dragging our left shoulder down, bringing our right leg back. You really want to crunch in your abs so you have weight distribution and really using your core, yeah? So from here, shifting your weight, engage your abs, crunch, bringing that left shoulder down to the right knee. And to even make it easier, grab your belt buckle. Really giving you this illusion that you're dragging your left shoulder down, yeah? And then step back, bringing your elbows out up to the ceiling before you cross them. Cross, you can even lean back on this, yeah? Cross, engage your core. See, I'm even like having trouble keeping my balance, but we are leaning back, crossing, then we're going to rise up off of our right foot, bringing our hands to our head and our legs straight, yeah? So from the top, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. So from here, you're gonna hit 1, and that's gonna be a slow rebound off as well. Then you're going to shift your weight to your left leg, and then hit this picture here. And how you hit this picture is you shift your weight to your left leg, extend that right foot all the way to the left side of the room. Doesn't have to be super high, doesn't have to be to your leg. No one here has to have that type of technique, but we're gonna kick that right foot all the way to the left, bring your left hand on that right thigh, and then rotate your hand again, bringing it to your right ear, yeah? So from here, cross, rotate your hands up, stand up out of that plie. It's gonna be a rebound. You're gonna come down, shift that weight to that left leg, and then rotate your hands, placing them where I told you before, kicking your right foot out to the side, yeah? So, from the top, it's 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, yeah? So, there's a slight pause there. 1, you're gonna step on and then hit 2. Yeah, and from here, you're going to bring that right foot back, but kick it all the way to the right hand side of the room. And then you're gonna switch your hands where they were before. Now, the difference is, you're going to switch here. Next move after that, you're gonna switch your weight from your left foot to your right, doing the same exact hand positions that you did before. Yeah, so you're pretty much just rotating your hands and switching positions. Rotating from your ear to your thigh, to your thigh, and to your ear, yeah? So, from the top, that would be 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Yeah? So, do that one more time, just so we're all clear. Actually, a bunch of times. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, Step forward on and 2 and 3. Now in this particular move, what I want you guys to do is really get used to rotating your hands or shaking them, because what's gonna happen is I want you to have this illusion as if you were really like rattling music in your head. So as if you were really bopping to music in your headphones, and that's the illusion that I want, right? So one more time from the top. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Step 1 and 2 and 3. One more time from the top. Repetition is how you get it, right? So 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Step 1 and transfer that weight. Really extend that right leg here. Extend that right leg over there. And then switch your weight. The key to this whole part of this combination, even from the top, is engage your core. If you don't have your core engaged, you will fall over and not have the cleanliness you need to get through the choreography, yeah? So here, right? Core is engaged this whole time. And actually be on the balls of your toes on the choreography. If you're flat-footed and you don't need to be, you'll be carrying weight that you don't need to carry. So 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Step forward on 8. 2, and 3. Yeah? 2 more times and we do a music, yeah? 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Step forward on and 2, and 3. One more time in the music, yeah? 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. And 2, and 3. Okay, so before we do music, I want to test you guys' speed. Yeah? So it's 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Yeah? A little bit faster, yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Yeah? One more time like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Yeah? One more time like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Yeah? Now we do music, yeah? From the top. Great job, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification button. I will see you definitely in my next video. Thank you guys for taking my class. Catch me on the flip side, you heard?